Hello everyone, welcome to English practice. Today we will learn how to order coffee in English. I will speak slowly. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. When you walk into a cafe, the barista will greet you. They might say, "Hello, how can I help you today?" "Hi there, what can I get for you?" Now it is your turn to speak. You can say, "Hi, can I get a latte, please?" Let's practice that slowly. Repeat after me. Can I get a latte, please? Great job. Part 2, choosing the details next. The barista will ask about the size and the milk. What size would you like? You can answer, "A medium, please." If you want a specific type of milk, you can say, "With oat milk, please." "With almond milk, please." Finally, it is time to pay. "That will be $4, please, cash or card." You can reply simply, "Card, please," or "Cash, please." Let's practice, "Card, please." Now let's put it all together. I will be the customer, you be the barista. Read your lines on the screen out loud. Card, please, thank you. Wonderful practice today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Watch this video again to build your confidence. Thank you for watching and see you next time.